Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I have a really exciting product for you today. This is the Creality Falcon T1, and if you are looking for the latest and greatest in engraving technology, this is going to be for you. This is a true 5-in-1. So if you want a device that really honestly feels like it should not exist, this one is going to be for you. There are so many different ways to use this with so many different materials. And whether you are a pro and you're already using that Lightburn software, don't worry, you can use it with the Falcon T1. Or if you are a hobbyist and someone newer like me, this is really easy to set up and super easy to use. It's also got the highest safety standards, and I'm gonna go through all of those things in a little bit more detail in this video. But I'm also going to show you some of the stuff that we've made and show this in action as well, so you can get an idea and a feel for what this is going to be like for you. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. So the big standout feature here is that this is basically a 5-in-1 laser system. What that means is that it supports multiple laser modules, including diode, fiber, and UV, which is actually pretty rare to see in one machine. Translation: you're not going to be locked into one type of material. You're going to be able to work on things like wood, metal, plastics, leather, and even more detailed or specialty materials like these glass cubes. So instead of buying multiple machines and clogging up your entire workspace, this is aiming to be your one setup that does it all. Another thing this is pushing hard here is your speed. So this uses galvo mirror technology, which allows engraving speeds of up to 10,000 millimeters per second. That is fast. If you're thinking about production, so for example, like Etsy products or starting your own small business or pop-up shop, batch engraving, etc., this is going to be a huge advantage for you. And it's not just about the speed, it's also about the detail. The Falcon T1 claims 0.01 millimeter precision. So that's super tiny, which really means that you're going to get crisp lines and fine, expensive looking engraving. So whether you're doing logos, artwork, or really intricate detailed designs, this is built for that level of accuracy. Now, what I like is that this is not just for professionals. This just landed on my workbench a few days ago, and I'm not necessarily a professional engraver. You guys know that. I'm a hobbyist at best. So the fact that I was able to set this up, lean into AI-powered simplicity, and be able to use this right away means that this is truly designed for beginners, and it's designed for everyone to be able to just use easily. So even if you are new, this is going to be a great machine for you. Plus, you've got versatility in your software. It works with Falcon's own software system. However, if you are a professional or if you're somebody that's already really into engraving and you love using, for example, Lightburn, a lot of people already use that, of course, and this system allows you to use Falcon system or Lightburn. So you have a lot of versatility there. You're not stuck having to learn something new. So it's going to be a really easy onboarding process, whether you are already into engraving or whether you're brand new. So one of my favorite features is the safety. This is a huge non-negotiable for me, and Creality always makes the top line safe products that you know and that you trust. But just to go over that again here, especially if you are using this at home, the Falcon T1 is designed with a fully enclosed system. As you see this, it's got this nice little case here, which doesn't just make it look really nice and fancy. It doesn't take up that much space, but also everything is enclosed, meaning that it's going to be safer, and it is marketed as an FDA Class 1 safe, which is the highest safety rating on the market. Basically, it's built super safe, safety in mind at every corner with the design, with the setup, with the exhaust, etc. This is a huge plus for anyone, but especially if you are using this at home and you're going to be around your pets, your kids, and really just for anyone, you're going to have that extra degree of peace of mind. Another really cool feature about this is that it does have a modular design. So what that means is that you're able to swap out the laser modules, as we mentioned before, which allows you to really have so many different options. So depending on what you want to do, this is something that you can grow with over time, and it gives you a ton of options. Instead of just having to upgrade your whole machine, you're able to just swap out the module and work with whole new materials in a whole new capacity. So who do I think this is actually for? I would say that this is a perfect setup if you want to start a small business. If you want to make your own custom projects and just explore your own creativity, think about signs and gifts, jewelry, etc. If you love DIY projects, you are going to absolutely love this machine. And especially if you want one machine that can handle a lot of different materials. If you want to downsize your workspace, or you want something that just has less clutter and you're able to do from a small space, this is a really great option. So this, of course, is still pretty new, and I'm going to be doing more testing, especially with different materials and different real-world projects. But so far, I really love the direction that Creality is going with this. It feels like they're trying to make something that is powerful, flexible, and actually usable for everyday creators. And I'm not gonna lie, I really like the results that I've seen so far from all of my various little projects. We've got glass, we've got wood, we've got these coasters, we've got our own token coins, and all of this is made beautifully with great detail and a ton of just precision. It's been easy to use right out of the box. And again, very versatile and flexible. You can use this with various software types, whether you already love using Lightburn, totally fine. Whether you want to use the Falcon's own system from Creality, you can do that as well. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Like I said, I am one of the first people that have gotten to check this out, and I feel so lucky for that. Creality is one of my favorite companies of all time, and everything they send is so much fun. But I have to say, they have really outdone themselves with this device. I cannot believe the versatility. I cannot believe the ease of use. Everything about this is absolutely fantastic, and I know that you guys are gonna love it as well. So I'm gonna keep you updated with all of the news and everything in the description, so that way you can be one of the first people to pick this up as well, and you can get all of the best deals and news directly from Creality. So I'll make sure to drop those links for you below and keep those updated for you as this comes to market, and as you know, it really gets out there, because you're going to be wanting to pick this up, absolutely. Whether it's a gift idea, it's starting your own business, or it's just upgrading your workshop, it is a fantastic device, and you're going to be so happy you did. Adios, amigos.